Hi kids, today we will learn different shapes. Circle. Oh, this is a circle. Oh wow. Circle. Circle. I am a circle. Square. Hey, square, where are you going? Oh, this is a square. Bread, square. Wow. Window, square. Hey, this is a triangle. Oh, this is a triangle. Watermelon, triangle. Pizza slice is in triangle shape. Oh wow, triangle. Hey, this is a rectangle. Rectangle. Oh, the door is in rectangle shape. Wow. Rectangle. This is an oval shape. Wow. Oval. This is an oval shape. Oh wow, XR is an oval shape. Hexagon. Oh, this is a hexagon. Oh wow, the clock is in hexagon shape. Diamond. Wow. Hi, I am a diamond. Oh wow, this is a diamond shape. Pentagon. Hi, I am a pentagon. Oh wow, this birdhouse is in a pentagon shape. Pentagon. Heart. Hi, I am a heart. Oh wow, the strawberry has a heart shape. Strawberry. Heart. Star. Hi, look at the star shape. Star. I am a star.